Hi babies, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. If you can see from my last video, everything changed in the background and I did some shopping. I went to find like cute things with colors and everything. I bought that one and I don't want to show you everything because I'm gonna do another video showing you everything I bought, how I put everything, and it's super cute. I love it, by the way. But today I'm gonna show you something super cool. It's a DIY. It's gonna be kind of different today because a lot of people send me DMs on my Instagram account if I could do a DIY on how to do gel highlighter. Look up online and see some recipes and see how it works, and it seems to work really good. So I'm gonna do it today for the first time, so we are gonna see if this works or not. What we need is aloe vera gel, and I bought it on the drugstore. We need glycerin. I think you say glycerin, right? I hope I am saying it right, please. We need a primer, and more convenient if you use a really creamy primer. And obviously it depends on the type of your skin, if you have dry skin. Okay, obviously we need some eyeshadows, and I think I'm gonna use one of these two colors right here. I don't know if you can see them there, but I'm gonna use this one or this one. So finally we need this pure rose hip seed oil, and I read that it's not convenient to use like coconut oil or almond oil because they are super like thick and they are not gonna help a lot in the mix. So let's start mixing this. Okay, so these are the 3 teaspoons of our aloe vera gel. We are gonna add 1 teaspoon of our primer. Okay, let's mix this. I don't know if this is gonna work, but we will see. Okay, I think it's working because when I read it, it says like the mix is gonna be a little bit sticky, and this is really sticky. Okay, so if you can see here, guys, the mixture is really sticky. I already have the mix, and now we are gonna add the eyeshadows. Okay. Oh, we are gonna add this shimmery loose eyeshadow that I found. You can see there. You can see there. Okay, so I think this is looking good. Look at that. So it's super jelly. It's creamy. It's perfect. Oh, I'm gonna lose this part. Okay, you can see I don't have any highlighter. It's better if you don't apply this highlighter with a brush, or you can use a blender if you want, or a sponge. Like, it's gonna be more easily. I'm gonna try to do it with my finger. I am so scared. Wow! 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 Wow. Like, but I never like expect this result at all. These highlights, it's like, hello there. So it's gonna be a little bit uniform, but the results, wow, it's awesome. So that was it for today. I'm so happy for this video because it came out really good. Like, I am like, woo. Okay, so I have to show you guys my little puppy. Like, she's going around like crazy, and I am like, what are you doing? Because she pee and poo everywhere. Say hi. Say hi there. Say, mama, what are you doing? Okay, so this is my little baby Havana. Like, she's 2 months old, and she's with us like for a month now. She pees everywhere, poos everywhere, right? She just ate, poo, pee, and slept. Right, baby? For all of you who ask, she's a Shih Tzu, the same as Bonnie, but she's obviously a baby. Bonnie is sleeping right now, of course. And okay, like if you have comments, opinions, or if you have like some suggestions for other videos, just don't forget to comment down below on the comment section. I am trying to do more videos, I'm trying to do more stuff for you guys. So don't forget to go and check my Instagram page. I am super active there. Thank you so much for being here, guys. Mwah! I send you a huge kiss and hug, and thank you, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!